Welcome back. So this is I Pick. My fiance actually planned a date and had me meet him.
Number 4.
Excited?
I'm thinking excited. I ain't gonna fry. I haven't been to the movies in a minute.
Right. Such a fun date night. Thank you, baby. What are you doing? Yeah, it feels really good out here. And we're right next to the seaport. For those of you guys that haven't been like down here to come to iPick, I would highly recommend. It's actually really nice. The food was good. The drinks.
We started at 7. That's the only 909.
Yeah. It was good.
Yeah, it was
the drinks were like a little salty. I didn't really like the margaritas too much. But I liked everything else.
That chicken was fire.
Yeah, everything was good. Yeah, you was crunching. I heard you all in the movie like I'm like, damn. How crunchy is that chicken? Jesus.
Yeah,
but it was a good time.
Like, you crunching. I'm like, so?
We had a good time.
Fact. That burger was good too.
It was really good. The food there is good. I'm surprised. If only I lived in Harlem, it would be so easy to get home. Pier straight down. Imagine if you lived in the South Street Seaport over here. Can you imagine being like, yeah, I live here?
I could imagine.
So beautiful.
You think we should move down here?
Yeah. That's the goal. I want to live in a high-rise somewhere down here. That's my goal. Huh? You think it's going to come down there?
It says 11, so I assume so.
This vlog ends right now. I hope you guys enjoyed what you guys have been watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It's the city background for me.
Right. Tell your friends,
like bougie.
tell your sisters.
Love you guys. Adios. You gotta say adios.
Adios.
Guys, we're supposed to take the train home and his bougie ass wants a cab. So y'all better not come for me and say I'm bougie. He's bougie. Like, this man, definition of bougie. I'm telling y'all.
Yeah, we only do drivers past 8 o'clock.
Guys, we got home so quick. It took us like 25 minutes or something. We did good, baby. Today I had one client, so I got to like chill out for the day. I kind of cleaned up this little area of my house. Not too much on this area of my house. But Tiff helped me do one part, so we're gonna take it. Jolene and Obi are supposed to come over to help me clean, so hopefully they help me with my vanity and then like this front section right here, because it could use some work. It's time for like a whole makeover of my house. It's been 3 years.
It is. I told her she needs to get rid of shit.
Yeah, I do. I need to get rid of a lot of shit.
We're gonna come here and just put everything in a pile.
Yup.
And force your ass to sit down. And we're just gonna get rid of stuff.
I'm telling you, tomorrow I'm off. I have a lash appointment. So I'm gonna go to my lash appointment and then I'm gonna come right back home and I'm gonna be like separating all my clothes because I really need to. Like, I need to throw out a lot of stuff because I have way too much stuff. I just don't know when. I don't have time for anything. It's gonna get done though. One random weekend, I'm gonna get it done. This set that I have on right now is like my most complimented set I think ever. Yeah, everyone's going crazy over Jolene's set. They be like, nails, can you zoom into the nails? But yeah, I don't know fucking eat. Yes. She's done. I'm here at my lash appointment. I think my lash tech isn't here yet. She told me she's like 5 minutes away, so I'll just wait right here. This is like Inwood. Hey guys, so I'm at my lash appointment. So is your name Chanel? Do you want to be called Chanel?
Call Chanel.
Okay, so we're calling her Chanel. That's it. That's the end of it. She does nails and she does lashes as well. I was looking at her page and her work looks dope, so I trust it. Okay, so we're just gonna see how this goes. I told her what I wanted. I feel like she did a consultation with me. It made me feel real comfortable. And she's in esthetician school, guys. We're here for everyone getting the license. We're tired of the ring light warriors. That's it. No more.
Seriously.
It's time for all of us to get educated. It's okay. Like, I'm so excited. I'm gonna let you guys know how it goes. I'm gonna lay down now and I don't want to be recording, so I'll show you guys after I'm done. The lashes and stuff before I see it.
I showed my face, but my face is not cute, so please crop that out.
Oh, please. Look at how pretty they came out. I just finished. I'm tearing up like hell right now. They gotta catch me like 20 minutes. I had such a good lash appointment. It was so good. The girl was good vibes. She was so young too. She was like 19, but it was such a vibe. I loved it. I appreciated her. Is this my cab? No. Ended up with my niece.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Pretty.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Gracias. Say gracias. Hi.
Hi.
We're in Harlem BBQ with it. The lighting is terrible, so I got my flash over these people's faces. So what? Right? Say so what?
We ended up at Harlem BBQ. Look at this out with the flash helping me out.
So we're at Harlem BBQ. This is my Jordan's favorite restaurant, I swear. When we turned like 20 or 21 or something. No, it's when I met Jared, right? Like, I think so Jared, so we kind of knew about this place. Someone told us about it. But Jared confirmed with us and was like, yo, it's really good. Like, I should try it. So we tried it when we were like 21, 22 or something. The best soul food in Harlem. So we took it upon ourselves to come here like every other day.
Yeah.
To the point where the staff knew us. Everybody knew us up in here. It was insane. They knew our order. Every time we'll bring people, they'll be like, oh, wow, you have someone else. Like, it was crazy. Now it's empty at birth. I don't know what's going on, but it's usually lit up in here. I'm happy. It's Sunday. Everybody stay home. Let us eat your food. But I'm excited. I haven't ate here in almost, I think like over a year. Because we were ordering like during the pandemic, but I think we ate it so much that we all kind of got sick of it.
Yeah, here in Lighthouse, we all got sick of it.
Yes, this and Lighthouse, we were sick of it, but don't play. Eat if you're gonna eat it. Can I have some? Thank you.
Thank you so much. If you don't mind, I have my phone charging right there.
My phone?
Right, you see your bow?
Yeah.
You look so pretty. Look, I got my ladybug right here.
Oh, my lady. Wow. I got my lady.
We're pretty princesses. Right?
Mickey Mouse.
Oh, you're Minnie Mouse. Okay, I'm gonna show you the food, and I'm gonna show you our genuine reaction when we eat the food because me and Julie are so dramatic. The food is so good every time. I think I showed my ass. I'm already drinking my margarita, and I'm a little lit. This outfit's kind of cute, right? Look at Elise. I think she was sleeping in this one. Oh no, she was up. I'm not even fully into the drink, and I'm already lit. Like, I feel my eyes crossing just a little bit. Watch when I get my food in me and I finish this drink. I'll be like, I'm ready to go Julian's house, take a nap. The outfit is cute though, right? I have to call this place because I really want to go on a tour. Small. That was an extra small? I'm skinty. You're a skinny leg. We just came. Look, I got my drink, the honey wings. That's my mac and cheese and corn nuggets. You want food?
Yeah.
Sister, we want food. You said you didn't want nothing. When is your sister's baby shower? It's next week.
A mango jerk wing. And
it's 29. You coming?
With it.
You coming? Let me know if you
What you want? What you want to eat?
We're fried chicken.
Eyes crossing. We live. The food is basically gone. So good, smells so good. I can't wait to take some home to eat. Is Jolene getting her own to-go boxes? She's not waiting for nobody. She's like, I got this. That's taking too long. I got this. Gracias. Me and Jolene got lit. We're on the way home. On the way to her house. I don't live there. I live in the Bronx.
It's still your home. You grew up there.
Yeah. Still my home.
Whoa.
Elise. Elise.
Yeah,
What are you doing?
in the car.
In the car. Wait, is she? Ooh, a lash came off already.
No way.
Oh, look at the gap.
Oh, no gap.
Guys, I'm lit. This is why Jordan like she has a camera. Her lighting is amazing. Your light looks so good. It look like I got a camera. It look like I got a camera. I love recording this. Out in Jolene's house. Now it's time for me to go home. You took a video of me sleeping? First of all, I recorded myself going to sleep in a time lapse. I want to see how I fell asleep. Tomorrow is finally going to be Friday. I feel like it's been dragging out. I feel like this whole week has been dragging out. No, but wouldn't we have a full week next, like the week after that? No, if we don't graduate the first week of May because the first week.
Next week is our last school week. Yeah, next week is our last school week.
Oh, because May 1st is what on
Friday. And when do y'all graduate?
Yeah.
No.
Like
May 1st gotta be like Tuesday. No, May 1st is Monday.
ah.
Yes, because the 29th is
So
Saturday,
when is like the 9th, 10th? That's what I'm
The
talking.
9th is next week Tuesday. That following week Tuesday.
So y'all graduate on Tuesday?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's crazy.
Gotta get y'all tiaras.
It's crazy because you know Jared's usually off Tuesdays and Wednesdays. He's just scheduled. Now he's off Monday and Sunday.
Wow.
So I don't know if he's gonna be able to come.
You gotta come.
I mean, I wouldn't care if like whoever makes it. I would want like my Empire family more than anything because I'm gonna celebrate with my family. They have no choice.
I'm not coming.
But that's what I'm saying. Like, to be honest, I don't think that nobody's coming to my crib on the night. Either because of the 10th. That's when we're all getting together. That's my grandmother's birthday. I don't feel like it's necessary for everybody to pull out of work on the 9th and the 10th.
Like my siblings will probably come.
That's what I was saying about the celebration between me and Jay. I was like,
Personally,
I'm like, to ask my mom and my dad, that's too much. Like,
If anything in June, we probably have or like the ending of May, we have like a barbecue or something to celebrate.
I want to just go get drinks with my friends.
That's really what I want to do. After, I want to just go get some drinks, eat.
Take pics.
yeah, that's why
Look cute.
I don't even want Elise to be here, but like.
Yeah, what you thought you was gonna wear all black? Look at her face.
My sister, I want to stand there with that baby.
I don't want to say nothing.
Guys, I swear we did not plan it, but I saw Jolene this morning on her story with her hair pushed back and the 2 baby hairs. And now she's gonna see that I have the same exact hairstyle. Let's see how she's gonna react. She's gonna come to the room. The girl upstairs was like, "You're a twin?" She's like, she just left. You put a little bun. I was waiting for it to dry out. I was like, oh my God, I was gonna leave it hanging. And I said, no, this is so awkward. It's like, it's just awkward. It was just like, I was like, yo, once it dries, I'm putting a little tiny bun.
No way.
I looked at your story today. I said, no way we have the same exact hairstyle. We both said, let's push it back for 2 baby hairs. Strong, baby.